Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello, hello guys, can you hear? Yeah, so today I want to learn JavaScript actually. Actually, I started to learn HTML and the CSS today with the ChatGPT. So if you want to see that video also, you can find that in my YouTube channel. I have done that implementation of HTML and CSS in only 1 hour. Like I have done it. So let me show you about that. So this is the web page I have built using HTML and CSS. In just 1 hour, I have learned the elements, the CSS and all. So now get getting back into the JavaScript. Right now, I want to learn JavaScript after doing HTML and CSS. So here first, we are building dynamic web page, So using JavaScript, it adds like dynamic behavior to the web pages. So you have to add that script.js file into our this one script.js. So what you have to add here is first I'm going to right now I'm learning JavaScript actually. I don't know anything about it. So I'm learning using ChatGPT. This is all about not watching just tutorials, guys. This is not about just watching tutorials for hours and not implementing anything. Just know about the concept, basic concept, and just implement it. That's how we learn, na? That's how we learn. So I'm learning this way now. So I have created a script.js file in the project folder. So now what I have to do is like I have to link that JS file into my HTML page. So the way is to link is to add this line script tag. Script means JavaScript. So src means source. Source is from this JavaScript file. Let's add this. Opening VS Code, go to HTML. Just wait, it's loading. Yeah, we have head here. Like we already linked the style sheet, CSS style sheet. Now we are going to link script file. Which script file we have to link? The source is CRC. Source equals script.js. This is the file name. So Control S. I just linked it. So what I have to do is now adding some button here in this. Sorry for that. In this web page, I have to add some button. When I click that, I will show some message. That's the goal. Now, let me open ChatGPT. Okay, I have done it. Now, click button to show message. Yeah, what we have to do? Update your HTML file by adding a button and a paragraph for showing the result. Okay, first we have to like add a button and I have to give it a ID. The button name is click me and it has ID as my button. Let us do that first. So where we have to add it in the body, of course, in the body. Let's add here under the list, unordered list. So what we have to add is button. Button name is click me. Just click me. So the ID is my button. My button. Yeah. I'm saving this file. Let me go to that web page and click refresh. I got some button. It's clickable, but nothing is showing up after clicking that button. Click me. This is the button. Yes. Okay. Now what? So there is a paragraph I have to add, and the ID should be message. Paragraph. The ID should be message. Okay. Control S. So let me go there, and I can't find any paragraph here. So I have to input that after clicking that button. That paragraph should be displayed. No, that paragraph should be displayed after clicking that button. So the logic has to be built in the JavaScript file, of course. Let us see what it do. Yeah, we have to like select button and message elements. We're creating document.getElement by ID my button selects the HTML element with the specific ID. Okay, so my button is the ID, so which is having the ID of my button, this click me button. So it will select that HTML element of click me. So it will save into that button, and the message also are doing the same. And what we are doing is button dot add event listener. It will listen for an event. In this case, a click. We have to add it, and the function needs to be written here itself. By clicking the button, this function has to be uh, run. Message dot text content. You click the button, JavaScript works. Okay, let's do this. Oh, constant button get element by ID. Why it's not coming? Document dot get element by ID. I forgot it, but yeah, it's correct. Document dot get element by ID of that uh, particular ID, which is my button. My button. Okay, my button. Okay. Next, what we're going to build is paragraph or message. Yes. Let me save that as message, and document dot get element by ID. Message. Yeah. Now what? Mm, now let me see that. Button. Event listener. So we got that button. Button dot add event listener. So by clicking, by click function function is message dot okay, text content. What is this text content? Why we are oh, don't know these functions actually. I have to ask ChatGPT what is text content, and it's okay. I understand that get element by ID. It's logical, and from the document we are getting get element by ID. Okay. From button, we're doing some listener, okay, but message dot text content, little bit confusing. So let's see it. For text content, we have to basically give that message here, and here also. When the button is clicked, the paragraph with ID message is updated to show a text message. Okay, so. Um, Let's go to the, let's click it where it's not showing, man. Save the file, right? What's the problem here? Cannot add event listener. Click constant button document dot get element by ID of my button. My lord. Constant message document dot get element by ID of message. Okay, I have to give this one here. Oh my god, damn, I don't know that. Bro, I'm not getting bro. What's happening? I have message paragraph here and button here. Button is working. I think I don't know. I don't think paragraph. Mm, why? My button. I have to check whether the both IDs are same. My button, message. This has to be button. It's okay. Button. Yeah, what's the problem, man? This is too silly, bro. This has to be worker. Why? I don't know why. Let us check the last time. One more time. Function message dot text content. Constant button. Document dot get element by ID. My button. Constant message. Document dot get element by ID. My message. Should I include any JavaScript libraries and all? What's happening? Index script. Everything is good. Start index dot HTML. Why it's not showing, bro? Oh, JavaScript has to be where? Oh, JavaScript should be in the body. Why? Because of mhm. JavaScript runs before your page elements like button, messages, and all. So it should not be loaded before the page elements. As a result, JavaScript can't find them, causing it to fail silently or produce an error. Okay, just before the body tag. So the body at the last, you have to paste the JavaScript file. Okay, I understand now. Yeah, HTML is passed from top to bottom and JavaScript is placed at the end of the body. All HTML elements have to be loaded, allowing your JavaScript to access and manipulate them. First, the HTML elements has to be loaded, and then the JavaScript will manipulate them. No need to load it audience. Yeah, we have to do that. So that's the big mistake. Instead of here, you have to add here. Yeah, right. That's okay now. You click the button, JavaScript works. Okay. Let the button needs to be button. I want it like center. I want the button to be at the center. So let's add this width and margin. Width like 15 pixels. Like it's more, I think. 30 pixels width and and margin, right? The margin 0 auto. Yeah, save this and wow. Hmm, has to be like 50 on the maybe 100 is good. And why margin 0 auto? It's not 0 auto has to be worked right. Hmm, let's see. Yes, it has to come here, I think. Here for me. So to let's first implement the logic. That's the important thing, right? So let's uh, practice test is we have to do clicking the message once, say hello. Clicking again should be hide it, right? So what you have to do, uh, if message dot text content is empty, else you have to give a blank message. If already the message has blank, if you click that button, the message has to display. This message has to be displayed. Else, if already there's a message displaying, if you click the button, this code block should be run like that. It clears the message. Uh, If that it creates the message. Yeah, just want to message dot text content is blank. What I have to do again, message dot text content equals. I have to update this like this. Else, okay, I have to close the if block. If is closed now, else message dot text content should be blank, no? Should be blank. So that's it. Has to work now. Text content. Uh, text content. If message dot text content message message dot text content equals this one. How I've done JavaScript. What's happening? Else. Hmm. Why it's not working? Is there anything like this? Should be like double quotes like that. Should not be single quote. In JavaScript maybe it's not like that. Let's copy this. Should I need to change anything in the index.html? Like script is working, message we have message, button is there, everything is good. Why these things not like message? Everything is good. Like this one maybe. Okay. This, yeah, maybe this one I think. These indentations are very important in the code. This has to be checked. Let's save this and run again. Click me. No, bruh. No. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. Something is fishy, bro. Not working. Oh, which is an assignment operator. Instead of a comparison operator, okay, additionally, you are assigning an empty string instead of comparing. Correct way is to use. We should not assign if it should be equals to. Okay, I understand now. Okay, 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 man. JavaScript, bro. Hmm, let's do this now. Yeah, yeah, yes. Now it's working. Now I want to this click me button to the to be to the middle. Like what I have to do is like styles button. Uh, not coming to the button, not coming to the center of the center. Yeah, it's okay. You need to explicitly set the button's display property to block to center it horizontally. Update yours block level element. Converts the button to a block level element. Okay, allowing you to set margins and widths effectively. Okay. So actually, basically, button is not a like you cannot implement these width and margins. You cannot do that on the button. So we have to change it to the block, and then only you can implement the changes to that particular block as a button. So I need to add this one to the button. So display should be a block. Yeah. Now let's control save. Let's go to this. Yeah, click me. Now it's working. So I need to add some top margin for this to make it look cool. And margin top and bottom. Let's add like five. Control save. Let's try this. What's happened? What the bro? Top, topple. It's going again left side. So I need to check the margin 5 auto. Margin 5 auto. Want to give So basically, what I'm doing is learning the JavaScript or whatever, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever. Learning them by implementing directly by doing projects and all. Bro, auto file. I didn't give auto file. Did I give auto file? No. Let me check it. Like five auto only I gave. Showing your current code margin auto file incorrect. This gives top bottom auto left. What's happening to this chat GPT? Bro, 20 pixels auto. Control save. Huh? Oh, control save. It's about px. Oh, so we need to do this px. Then only it's considering as top margin. You click the button, JavaScript works. Yeah, I learned the JavaScript. Somewhat, bro, it's enough for now. Like I have implemented that functionality and all. Instead of watching 1 hour or 1 hour of YouTube video on the JavaScript, how the functions do, I'm directly implementing it. So now I got to know that the functionality, like I have implemented this function. Na? So it's practically I know how it works. Yes, now what we have to do. So okay, after a while, slowly I will implement them. It's working. Now what's the next step? For now, for today, it's enough. I think tomorrow I will, in the next video, yeah, I will come with some other JavaScript web pages deeply. Today we did this now. It's okay. Nothing to do now. Yeah, bye guys.